Hello traders, welcome back to today's analysis for 13th of July 2023. First, let us look into yesterday's market. Yesterday, I got a lot of messages in my Instagram account telling that I had a bullish view and the market kept falling from the beginning of the session. This is the reason I explained the stop loss hunting logic in my last video. If you have missed it, please do check out that video. I had clearly mentioned there are sellers only at the top and buyers at the bottom. And for the market to hunt the buyers, it has to come down a very long way, and hunting seller stop loss would be very easy for the market. Even though I expressed my bullish views in my last video, you can check out at the opening itself. By 9:17, I shorted the index and I closed my position as soon as it came near the closing price of previous day. Understand the logic behind this trade. Yesterday, I had clearly mentioned there are no sellers or buyers in between, and sellers are present here and buyers are present here, and the market opened somewhere up here. As soon as the market retraced back up till here, you can see all the sellers have been booked their losses or profits somewhere around here. So again, there are no sellers at the top. So market has to provide opportunity for the sellers, so it has to come down. So that is the reason it kept on creating higher lows and then it fell off. In my last video also, I have clearly mentioned if the market opens near target 1 and start to trade below the closing price, market will easily retrace back till previous close. Now apply the same logic in Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, I had clearly mentioned there were no buyers at all except at this point. If the market opened flat or gapped down, there was no opportunity for the buyers to buy the index. So it is very obvious market started to make higher highs here. And later on, all these stop loss were hunted here, and again this stop loss was hunted here. Okay, for technical reasons, price chart is not opening. So now you understood why I shorted the index at the beginning, and our logic worked in both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. Moving on to today's analysis. As explained, Nifty from the beginning of the session, it started to fall and started to trade in a tight range, and later this range was broken. I'm bearish for today and I expect the market to open gap up somewhere around here and retrace back till our entry level and then fall back. Our first target will be 19,345, second target will be 19,320, and the third target will be 19,290. If the market start to trade above 19,461, I consider the market to be bullish and I won't trade. And as today it is expiry, I look into the price action and later decide which direction to trade. Moving on to Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty, you can see since morning it traded in a range and the range was broken, and I assume the market will definitely retrace back till our entry zone to test the level and then it will fall back. My first target for the Bank Nifty is 44,508, and the second target will be 44,398, and the third target will be 44,286. If the market start to trade above 44,874 or above this swing, I consider the market to be bullish, and looking into price action I decide my trade. I hope now you know why I explained stop loss hunting in my last video. If you like my analysis, give it a thumbs up and do share it with your trading friend. All these levels are in my TradingView account and the link is in the description box below. Happy trading!